Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make or create an Instagram poll on your story. Really easy and simple to do. So first things first, you just want to open up your Instagram application, and then you'll be on your profile page. You just want to go and start a story here. So just take a picture of my iPad, or you can just go to your gallery and just choose a picture that you would like to use for the background of your poll. Once you have that figured out, you can just go up to the top where you see that little square emoji looking icon and click on that. And then you'll see there's an option for poll, so we can just click on poll. And then we're just gonna have to ask a question. So we can just ask, what do you think of? And then we can put a question mark. And then you can just put like A or B or whatever you're asking. Click on done. And then when you add this to your story, it looks like this. And then you could have the people that are watching your story will just click on A or B. And then it'll give you a vote. So when you go check your story and scroll up on it, you can see that who voted for A or who voted for B, and it will tell you the names of the people who voted. Really easy and simple to do. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.